Katanya ini air terjun sipiso. Ini jalannya sekitar panjang kali bro. Capek kali.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go lead a C. I know this journey,
nyampe juga bro.
13,
Nyampe juga alhamdulillah.
Never stopping searching, yeah, it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action.
Berapa anak nggak terima?
Riding down this road.
Untuk pakai tangga ya kan?
No, I'm not alright. I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine. So you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Nyampe juga. Ini kali macam di lembah-lembah gitu biasa. Kita akan menuju ke atasnya. Oke guys. Wow, mantep bro. Coba abang dulu. Ada. Oke. Ya, cari lihat tuh. Ke atas lagi. Pantang mundur. Mau dipoto? Oke. Situ mas. Dari sana deh.
Ya Allah, udah salah jalan. Wah, jangan muter juga lah.
Dingin kali bro. Astagfirullah. Allah Akbar. Satu dua. Oh, Akbar.
Asap lu, kata tas. Bisa tak tas, Pak?
Allah Akbar. Mas Agus, kirim salam. Burang. Guys, ini kami kedinginan. Tadi kami sempat ke situ, ke bawahnya, sangat dingin sekali. Dan kami basah. Ini basah ini. Dan ini Mas Agus lagi selfie sendiri, nggak ajak selfie-nya. Dia diajak pulang.
Pulang lapar.
Pulang. Kami mau pulang mau makan sate bakar. Sudah bakar.
Udah mati kan?
Udah, ayo. Gak apa-apa, biar pusing kan. Bilang.
My adventure.
My trip, my adventure. Udahlah.